inverse Laplace transform. In our previous video, we have discussed about the Laplace transform of functions. After you have done the Laplace transform, there will be outcome in terms of functions of x. Let's say now the Laplace transform of ft equals to f in the functions of s. In the reverse manner, we call it an inverse Laplace transform. That means inverse Laplace transform of fs, it will be equals to ft as indicated in the function here. These two are the examples to demonstrate the inverse Laplace transform. To solve the problems related to the inverse Laplace transform, you are actually referring to the same table of Laplace transform, only that in the reverse manner. This column represents the outcome of the Laplace transform, while this column represents the original functions to be done with the Laplace transform.